Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by unlocking the calculator behavior. Rotate your iPhone to landscape so the scientific layout appears. Make sure portrait orientation lock is off. Once done, type the base number. If it's negative or has operators, wrap it in parentheses so the calculation groups correctly. Next, press the XY key to select power mode. This tells the calculator you'll enter an exponent now. This sequence prevents misinterpretation and sets you up to input any exponent cleanly. You now enter the exponent itself. Put in whole numbers, decimals such as 2, 5, or fractional exponents like 1/2 for a square root. If you need a negative exponent, tap the +/ key before finishing, and when the exponent includes expressions, wrap them in parentheses to preserve order. After entering the exponent, press equals to compute. If you want to continue, use ands to reuse the last result and chain additional power operations without retyping. Finish by checking the result and converting formats if needed. For roots, enter 1/2 or 1/3 as the exponent to get square or cube roots, and make sure decimal precision is acceptable. You can combine power with log, ln, or e scientific notation to handle very large or small numbers. If the XY key or scientific layout disappears, make sure orientation lock is off, rotate again, and if necessary, force close and reopen calculator.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.